Most people use the Google Play Store every day to download apps, but very few realize that some Play Store settings can collect usage information, run in the background, and affect your phone's performance and battery life. In this video, I'll show you a few settings worth checking if you want a little more privacy and a little better battery life on your device. Let's start inside the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, and then select Play Protect. Next, tap the settings icon. Here you'll find two options. The first one is Scan Apps with Play Protect. I recommend leaving this enabled because it helps detect potentially harmful apps and keeps your device safer. The second option is Improve Harmful App Detection. This setting can send additional app-related information to help improve security systems. If you prefer more privacy, you can turn this option off. Now go back to the Play Store main settings. Tap your profile picture again, select Settings, and then tap About. Here, check for Play Store updates to make sure you're running the latest version. New settings and features are often added through updates. Once your Play Store is up to date, go back and open General. Scroll down and look for App Install Optimization. This feature helps Google improve app installation performance, but it may also collect information about how apps are installed and used. If you don't want that data shared, you can disable this setting. Now let's check which apps might be using more battery than necessary. Open your phone's settings and go to Apps. Choose an app you use regularly. Then tap Battery. If you see Unrestricted selected, that app can run more freely in the background. For many apps, switching to Optimized can help reduce battery usage without affecting normal functionality. Take a few minutes to check your most used apps and make sure they're configured the way you want. Finally, for an extra privacy adjustment, open Settings, go to Security and Privacy, then More Privacy Settings. Look for Send Diagnostic Data and turn it off if you don't want your device sending additional usage and diagnostic information. These small changes won't transform your phone overnight, but they can help reduce background activity, improve privacy, and make your battery last a little longer throughout the day. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Subscribe for more Android tips and privacy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.